Hi everyone, this is Marianne and welcome to my channel. I'm coming to you now with a video that I never thought I'd be doing, but here I am. This is a review of a mechanical keyboard, the Royal Kludge RK61 Pro. This is a 60% keyboard that I bought about a month ago. I have an unboxing of this on my channel and I will link it down below. I also have some videos of me typing on this keyboard and of me making some modifications to the inside in order to make it sound better. All of these videos will be linked in the description box. My favorite feature of this keyboard is the aluminum casing. It makes the entire keyboard very heavy and therefore gives it a premium feel and experience. And functionally, it prevents the keyboard from scooching around the desk whenever I am typing very, very fast, which happens usually with the lighter keyboards. That's why this is my favorite feature of this keyboard from Royal Kludge. Like I said, this is the Pro version. That's why the casing is aluminum. But I have seen pictures of the non-Pro version with a plastic casing, and it looks exactly the same. So if you really like that one, and if that one is already perfect for your needs, but you are looking for something more premium, or are just feeling like an upgrade, this could be the keyboard for you. I also like the RGB feature of this keyboard. Every single LED works perfectly. There is absolutely no dud in here. The brightness of every single one of them is consistently the same. And corollary to the RGB feature, I do like that the keycaps are shine through and top printed, and the legends are very visible and readable. This is perfect for me because I have very bad eyesight. I have had bad eyesight since I was 13 years old, and I've managed pretty well with the help of modern science. But I am now old, and I also need to be more mindful of my posture. And I'm a writer, it's my full-time job, so I'm always at my computer typing. I have found that it's so much more comfortable for me to angle the keyboard up towards my face, so the top printed shine-through keycaps are really very good for me. That's why I've also had to add flippy feet to the underside of this keyboard to help set a better angle. But these flippy feet can be easily removed without leaving a mark on the aluminum casing. Aluminum casings for mechanical keyboards don't come with flippy feet. That's what I have observed. It's usually only the plastic ones that have flippy feet. Another great feature of this keyboard is the switches that came with it. These are red linear switches. I don't know the brand. Maybe it's Otomu, but I don't know. Really, I don't. But these are so easy to type with. For what limited information that I have about switches for mechanical keyboards, red linear switches are the go-to for long hours of typing. They help prevent fatigue on the fingers and have just great response and accuracy in general. Also, the keyboard is hot swappable. You can totally change the keycaps and the switches anytime you want without soldering. I never felt the need to change the switches, although I did change the keycaps once, just to make it look slightly different. But those keycaps I got were not of very good quality. These keycaps that came with a keyboard are really good. They look simple and basic, but the shine through is consistent and reliable. Other features that I like from this keyboard are the Bluetooth connectivity with the option to go wired if needed, and its compact size. Because it is 60%, it can fit in smaller work surfaces, which is what I have. My work desk is actually quite shallow because it's all the space that I have in my bedroom. And because of the 60% size of the keyboard, it looks very, very cute. I can imagine replacing the keycaps with a very cute marshmallow ones. That would be so adorable. So, in conclusion, there is absolutely nothing wrong with this Royal Kludge RK61 Pro mechanical keyboard. But it's a 60%, and I purchased it without doing enough research, and turns out I needed the dedicated arrow keys, the page up and page down and end keys, and I cannot keep pressing the function key to access those specific keys. Many times I even accidentally deleted entire lines of text because instead of activating the question mark and the space after it, I activated the up arrow and pressing the space bar after it by instinct, I ended up erasing one line of text. It was scary. It happened multiple times, and I never really got to train myself to do it the right way. I guess I'm too old of a dog to learn new tricks like that. My need and use for mechanical keyboards do not really align with what this Royal Kludge RK61 Pro had to offer. What I needed, after all, was a 75%. If I knew that at the right time, I wouldn't have bought this RK61. Now I already have a Rainy 75 and it's just perfect for my needs. The unboxing video will be linked down below. I'm just sad that this RK61 Pro is just sitting in its original box, not being able to fulfill its one job. So I'm going to post this for sale on my social media. I bought it brand new, so technically now it will be secondhand to the next owner, but it's only a month old, albeit used heavily every single day, but I don't abuse my things. I just use them exactly for what they were designed for. This is still a perfectly good 1-month-old keyboard. I can't keep it. If I know I will never use anything again, it makes no sense to me to keep it. So, goodbye, little Royal Kludge RK61 Pro. You have served me well for 1 month, but our partnership was not meant to be. Thanks for watching. Bye.